Well, hello and welcome to 238 Woolooware Road in Burraneer. Let's take a look. I love what the owners have done to this home. You've got a beautiful Corian bench top. You've got excellent custom cabinetry throughout, and I love how neat and tidy the home is. The home has an extremely relaxed vibe. I love the fact that you can just sit here, you've got the skylights, all the natural north sun coming right into the property. If you're looking for a home with multiple living areas and great flow, this one's for you. As you can see, we're out here on the balcony and you've got these fantastic views out over the water. Got one more little surprise for you and why I love that it's so close to the local marina.